Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to tell you about the job opportunity plus intern opportunity from NCR Corporation at a post of IT analyst. So please watch the video till the end. So let me scroll down the screen. I will be starting with the qualification required. So a student completing MCA, BTech or BE in month of May or June 2022 is eligible for applying, and also one applying should have excellent knowledge of computer science fundamentals. One should have ability to understand business and technical requirements. One should have excellent written and verbal communication skills. One should have excellent teamwork and collaboration skills too. And along with this, one should available to join for the internship program starting from 21 November till June 2022. So these are some of the qualifications which are required for applying as an IT analyst. There are some skills requirement. If you have this, you will be definitely getting the plus point there. So the skills are, you should be good in DB, you should have JavaScript, HTML, you should have a knowledge of CSS, Jelly, Angular, etc. You should also have the basic understanding of SDLC and operations. Okay. So these are some skills which will definitely provide you the plus point during your internship and also when you are applying for the job opportunity. So here they have discussed something about, they have told something about the NCR Corporation. So let me tell you, NCR Corporation is a leading software and service lead enterprise providing in the financial, retail and hospitalities industries. And also its headquarters is in Atlanta, Georgia. It has 36,000 employers globally, and it is NCR is a trademark. Okay, NCR is a trademark for NCR Corporation in United States and other countries. So this is all about NCR Corporation. So I have told you the qualification. I have also told you the skill requirement. So there are some notes which they have given, like NCR share integrated values. They provide equal opportunities to all qualified applicants. There will be no discrimination in job opportunities or internship opportunities on the basis of sex, age, race, color, religion, national origin, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, or military service, or any other characteristics are conducted by the law. They say that NCR is committed to being a globally inclusive company where all the people are treated fairly and recognized for their individuality, promoted based on performance, and encouraged to strive to reach their full potential. They have been chosen on the basis of their caliber, their skills, their performance, not on the basis of any other thing. Therefore, there will be no discrimination on the basis of above ground mentioned. And also they respect different among all individuals. Every individual at NCR has ongoing responsibility to respect and support a globally diverse environment. There is one statement that you all have to keep in mind. You should be careful while applying. Like NCR only accepts a resume from agencies on the NCR preferred suppliers list. So please do not forward your applicant tracking system, NCR employers, or any NCR facility. If you do so, then NCR will not be responsible for any fees charged and associated with unconsolidated resumes. So if you do so, you will NCR will not be responsible for this. You yourself will be responsible for this. Okay, so please be careful about this. So the opportunity is knocking at your door. Please apply as soon as possible you can. Link is given in the description box. Till then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring yourself. Thank you so much.